You already know from part 1 how to split editor pane from top bar buttons. Let's see the Xcode editor pane today. You see this grid-like button? It is very useful because you can navigate through the recent files you visited. Automatically it suggests an assistant file of a file owner of the storyboard scene. If you do not understand what I just said, don't worry, I will explain it in a moment. Preview brings up the window where you can see how it looks in different devices. Basically, after splitting in the editor in two halves, by default assistant file is shown in case of XIVs or storyboard. You can change this to preview to bring up the preview tab. You can see it in landscape or portrait, or even add multiple devices from little plus button. By default, all scenes or screens are designed taking reference of iPhone 8. If you want, you can change by pressing this level. You can even change this to different devices. Now let's say I have chosen here a sweet file. Now this grid-like button brings up a very useful tool that is called generate interface. It brings up the skeleton of the class. Basically you will have idea how many private or public methods or properties are there. Now these four buttons are very useful for the auto layout, but for details please check out my videos in description section. Pin zoom in this area works great to view the full storyboard scenes or concentrate in a single storyboard scenes. This little button brings up the view hierarchy and constraint attached to the views. For storyboards, the window shows up the different scenes or constraints, gesture recognizer, etc. I think this is enough for the editor pane to start with, and see you in next tutorial where I shall try to explain auto layout in very basic way. Thanks for watching today.